Before performing maintenance on a pump, be sure to read and follow the installation, operation, and maintenance manual. Follow the appropriate lockout, tagout, blockout procedures, and read and follow all safety tags. Failure to do so could result in injury or death. To replace an impeller in a pump, first switch off the power to the pump and lock the switch in the off position to ensure no power can get to the machine while replacing the impeller. Remove the drain plug from the suction side of the pump, then disconnect the discharge hose from the top of the pump and disconnect the suction hose from the front of the pump. Remove the shaft guard. Attach an assembly aid arm or lifting device to the eye bolt located at the top of the suction side casing. Remove the nuts from the suction side casing. Lift the casing away from the pump using the assembly aid arm or lifting device. The liner should come out with the casing. Inspect the liner for wear or damage. Hold the shaft in place with a J-wrench or crescent wrench placed around the flat area between the gland and the flinger. Unscrew the impeller from the shaft. Remove the O-ring from the shaft and insert a new O-ring. Apply anti-seize to the impeller threads. Reverse the position of the J-wrench or crescent wrench on the shaft. Screw the new impeller onto the shaft, ensuring there is a running clearance of between 1/16 and 1/8 of an inch between the impeller and the suction bush liner. Remove the J-wrench or crescent wrench from the shaft. Use the assembly aid arm or lifting device to lift the suction side casing back into place. Reattach the nuts to the suction side casing, torquing to recommended specifications. Remove the assembly aid arm or lifting device from the eye bolt. Replace the shaft guard. Reconnect the suction and discharge hoses, reinsert the drain plug, and restore power to the pump. For more information, contact McLanahan